stay with the class. Okay, here we go. This is another one. Now we have two of them. So what we do is we graph both of them. So y is greater or equal to negative 2x minus 1. So we pretend this was an equation and graph the line. We need a couple of points. If x equal to 0, y is equal to negative 1. If x is equal to 1, y is equal to negative 3. Okay, I did that very quickly, but are we okay with that, everyone? Do we see how to find a couple of points for this one? Question? Good? Okay. So what we're going to do...
Sorry.
Go ahead.
Did you just solve for x and y just now?
Yeah, I just said
Right.
Let x equal to 0 and solve for y. So in that equation. So if I let x equal to 0, solve for y, you can actually cover x. You can say y is equal to negative 1. Do you see that?
Yeah. And you did the same thing
Okay.
to solve for x,
Same
right?
thing for the other one. Yeah, I just pick one so I get the whole numbers so I can graph them easily. So let me locate these 2 points. If x equal to 0, y is equal to minus 1. So it would be like this point here. If x equal to 1, y is equal to negative 3. So this point here. Now this says equal to. So we do use a solid line there. That would be my rough graph there, which going to pass us through those points. This point here and this point here. Okay? Now, we do the same thing for the other line. Let's use a different color here. So if I have x minus y greater or equal to minus 1, let's pick a couple of points here. If x equal to 0, y is equal to 1. If y is equal to 0, x equal to negative 1. Everybody see those points? 1. If x equal to negative 1, if x equal to y is equal to 0. Question on that so far? So around here. So this one, it also says equal to, so this would has to be also the solid line there, like that, kind of. Okay, so definitely we are not going to select here C, because both of these is equal to, this is the dotted line. We're not going to select D. So my choices would be A or B. Now, let's see where would be the solution. So we pick a point 0, 0 to test which side would be the solution. If I put 0, 0 for the first inequality, 0 greater or equal to, that would be 0 minus 1. Is that true that that 0 is greater or equal to negative 1? 0 is greater than 1, negative 1? Yes, everyone? Yep, somebody says yes. Okay, so that's good. So it means 0 is a solution for the first one. So the first one, if you remember, was the black line. So that would be all the number above this line would be the solution. And then if you look at, if you put 0 here, 0 minus 0 is greater or equal to negative 1, 0 is greater than negative 1. That also checks out. So at the same time, all the number below the blue line must be the solution. The common would be these areas here then. So it looks like the closest graph that I can see would be B in this case. That would be the answer. Some of you already posted B. That's good. All right. Can I see a check mark in front of your name? If you can all follow this, please.